Hello dear student, very good morning to all of you. So आज हम लोग अगेन हमारा क्लास फॉर फ्यूचर ऑफ शेयर्स संबंधित डिस्कशन में बैठे हैं. सो आज हमारा बेसिक मुद्दा है कि इफ़ द क्वेश्चन आस्क यू टू पास only the forfeiture journal entry, then how you can solve the question. So in the screen you have a question in front of you where you are asked to give journal entry. Question number A, Public Limited issued 4,000 shares of rupees 10 each, payable rupees 20 on application, 30 on allotment, 25 on first call and 25 on second and final call. जब भी आप फॉरफीचर का क्वेश्चन करें तो ये नेक्स्ट लाइन भी यू हैव टू रीड प्रॉपरली. द नेक्स्ट लाइन सेज ऑल द शेयर्स वेयर फुल्ली सब्सक्राइब. ये जो वर्ड है बहुत स्टूडेंट इसको सोचते हैं कि इट इज़ नॉट वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट, पर ऐसा नहीं है. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक इम्पॉर्टेंट मुद्दे है. ऑल द शेयर्स वेयर फुल्ली सब्सक्राइब्ड. नेक्स्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट मुद्दे, 150 shares. These shares was final call, not paid. So यही हमारा, this is the question where we have to frame the answer. अब ये क्वेश्चन का एनालिसिस करते हैं हम लोग. क्या कहा है क्वेश्चन में? इस क्वेश्चन में इट इज सेड द डिफॉल्ट नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स ऑफ विच इंस्टॉलमेंट्स आर नॉट पेड इज 150. In our question there are 4,000 equity shares, but as we are asked to pass only the forfeiture journal entry, we have nothing to discuss with the total amount of subscribed unit. We are to forfeit or we are to cancel only those shares with which the company has a problem. The company is not getting certain installments. That number of share is our matter of discussion. In this question, the number of default share is 150. Then, the again important thing is this called up value. Sometimes the called up value is not exactly same of the original value of share. So here called up value is full value. Called up value is full value. Then you will see in application it is 20 rupees and this 20 rupees is paid. In allotment it is 30 rupees and this 30 rupees is paid. First call it is 25 rupees and 25 rupees is paid. So ये जो है application, allotment and first call, ये कौन सा कैटेगरीज में आते हैं? ये पेड कैटेगरी में. मतलब द मनी अगेंस्ट दिस शेयर्स आर पेड गिवन टू द कंपनी. तो व्हाट इज द टोटल वैल्यू ऑफ ऑल दिस? 20 plus 30 plus 25 is equal to 75. 75 is our paid amount. But the final call money, it is not paid. It is not paid. What is our journal entry? The journal entry says share capital account debit. How many numbers of shares? 150 numbers of defaulted shares. And what is the amount? 100. 100 is what? What is 100? This 100 is, what is this 150 and what is this 100? 150 is this 150, default number of shares, and 100 is fully subscribed value. Fully subscribed value means 100 rupees, and this is important for this share capital account. What is not paid? Final call is not paid. What is not paid? Final call is not paid. Then not paid final call will come here as it is by its name, to final call. 150 and this 25 is the value of final call. This 25 is the value of final call. Okay. Then to share forfeiture account, 150 units, and this 75 is what? The sum total of the installments of which values are paid. So this is the paid figures. Okay, this is the paid figures. This is the paid figures. And how much is the total value of the paid figures? Is 75. And this share forfeiture will come with this 75, and this 75 is the paid figure 75. So this is called the forfeiture journal entry. In your examination, even in your board examination also, the 3 mark allotted for a direct question to pass out only the forfeiture journal entry with this certain issues. Okay. Now we can come to the second question. In the second question, it is said that to forfeit 500 unit of shares, 500 unit को direct you forfeit. The value of the shares is 100 rupees, but of which 75 including premium of 5 has been called up. How much called up? 75. This is a very important information. The shareholder had paid application money of 20 shares. So comparing to the previous question, in this question it is not mentioned that accept the application of 20, what are the values of other installments. Whether it is a question of 2 installments, 3 installments, 4 installments, how much is the allotted value for the allotment, how much is the allotted value for the first call, second call, nothing is mentioned. So comparatively this question is quite different from our previous question. Now let's see how we can solve this question. Now you see, we first analyze this question. How many numbers of shares we are going to forfeit? That is 500 shares, which are the default. Why they are default? They are not paying other installments except the application money. Now in this question, the value of share 100 is not important for us. Then what is important? The called off value of 75 is important, but ये भी it is also said that out of the 75, 5 is a premium value. So naturally 70 is the value of the part of the face value. 70 plus 5 is equal to 75. Application is 20, and in this question it is labeled as it is paid. It is paid. Then we have to analyze this matter very carefully. We have 70 called up plus 5 premium. So out of the 70, application money of 20 is paid. That means 50 of the remaining installments, as we don't know what is the name of the remaining installments, 50 of the remaining installment is unpaid. How it is 50? Total is 70. Application rupees 20. If we deduct, then we have left 50. 50 is not paid. This is labeled as unpaid. At the same time, it is also said the 5 rupees premium is also not paid. That means premium of 5 rupees is also unpaid. And altogether we did not pay 55 altogether. We did not pay 55 altogether. Now the journal entry, शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट 500. देखो हम बार बार वी आर यूजिंग द 500, वी आर यूजिंग द 500, वी आर यूजिंग 500. From where this 500 is coming? This 500 is coming from the default value 500. Clear? Okay. 70 is coming from, this is 70. Maximum time I have find many students write is 75, and that is the mistake. 75 is not the right figure. What is the right figure? 70 is the right figure, because 5 is a premium and we will show the premium in a separate line, but it is debited, but we will show the premium in a separate line. So 5 is the premium. We will show the 5. 5 is the premium. So share capital account is debit, security premium account is debit. In my previous question, we did not touch security premium, because in that question the security premium was not a part of the question. But here there is a security premium, and security premium is to be shown. Here I have something to tell you. इसको मैंने स्टार दे के रखा कि मेरा बात ध्यान से सुनो. Security premium reserve is to be debited at the time of forfeiture if security premium is not received by the company. But if security premium is received by the company and thereafter the company is going to forfeit the shares, then security premium reserve will not be debited in the answer. Okay. In our theory discussion, we will make it very clear. Right at the moment, the security premium reserve is expected to appear in the debit because it is not collected or received by the company. Okay. Share forfeiture account 500 shares into 20 rupees. Share forfeiture account 500 shares into 20 rupees. But the question is that what is this 20 rupees? 500 ka we have these 20 rupees is the paid value. What value? Paid value. The paid comes as forfeiture. जो पेड वैल्यू है वही फॉरफीचर के रूप से क्रेडिट होता है. एंड 500 into 55 what? Unpaid value. What is this unpaid value? All together unpaid value is 55. This 55 is unpaid value. Okay, clear? Now you see the remaining installments. The name is it allotment? We cannot say because the question is not saying so. Is it first call? Not sure. Is it second call? Not sure, because the question is not stating you to be as allotment, first call, final call. In such case, as we don't have any name mentioned in the question, so we will label it as call in area. What will you label this as? Call in area. So dear student, this question and this analysis is very unique and very possible type of question. So I hope you understand it, and in our coming videos you will discuss the theory part, the condition parts of the share forfeiture account. Thank you very much.